Okay. Alright, you guys. A little bit of a different video this time. Carson is home from the hospital, so that's good. Unfortunately, he is still battling his addiction with Facebook Marketplace. And me being a good friend, I'm going to help him fuel that addiction. He's been eyeing this 1994, I believe, Mazda pickup. He's been trying to figure out a way to go get it. And I've got a little bit of cash I could spare, so I'm gonna go buy him this truck and surprise him with it. Nice little welcome home present now that he's done with chemo and everything. But the trailer's not quite ready to go, so I just went to Walmart, picked up some trailer lights and full wiring kit. It's like 35 bucks for all the wiring and lights you need for a trailer. So we'll go get this truck. We'll surprise this kid. We'll figure it out. This is just gonna go right in. Yes! Alright, let's go do the same thing on the other side. Just gonna test the wiring as we hook it up and get ready to go. Probably fine. Better than the old stuff, at least. Yeah, not sure what I'm going to record when we're actually getting the truck. Might just do a quick clip of with the truck probably next. It's going to be super sick. Alright, so we got the truck home. And let's see what everybody else thinks of it. Brandon's here. It's a familiar face.
What a weird Miata. They got astronauts up top.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we haven't really shown the whole thing.
That's cool. Make sure you keep that.
I think Carson wants to black it out.
This is Uncle Carson's truck.
What do you guys think out of 10?
Is 6.5 nice? I don't know.
That's what we got. Let's go see what Carson thinks. Hopefully he's like awake and stuff. He has no idea about any of this, so he's gonna show up there.
That's the best part.
Not in.
Let's do it.
Yo. Hey, buddy. We're in your neck of the woods, so we were gonna come stop by. We figured we'd come see you in the driveway.
Yeah, swing in. Are you here now, or?
No, we're just passing the center, so we should be there in like 5 minutes.
All right, I'll see you out there.
Sounds good, man.
All right, later.
Bye. Here's my groomsman home.
Vlogging?
Oh, hell yeah. So, anything new with you, you know? Any,
Was this like, does anybody else know about this? So like that's my truck. Yeah.
so let's go push that Civic into this bog real quick.
What'd you get it for? Nice job.
The worst part, I'll say right off the bat, there's less floor than there should be.
Crap.
But the frame looks pretty good.
Good, that's good. I figured you were doing something for like the wedding or something.
Where are they? Inside?
I think they're out back. You better wear a bulletproof vest though.
Perfect.
Yeah, I mean, I just decided I didn't respect you guys anymore, so I just bought it.
He had no idea.
I did not know at all. I just sent them the link 6 times.
No, I don't
It's
know.
so small.
It's tiny.
I love it. Oh, that's a good sound. Completely hollow.
It's beat up, obviously.
The frame does not look
It
bad.
doesn't. I was underneath the thing. Like I said, probably worst part if you want to see.
The floor pan's real bad.
Yeah. So if you...
I was wondering when I saw
can
the
show you.
floor
If you pull this back. Oh! Already a couple license plates in there.
That's real bad. But
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, I don't care. I don't get inspection
Where's
stickers.
the trailer?
It's so beat up. I love it. The cab forward is like flawless.
It's not bad.
Well, I don't know about flawless, but dang.
A talking yeahs? You think it's gonna be loud? We'll make it loud.
Yeah, it looks loud.
We'll make it
Looks
loud.
fast. I'm gonna own me a nice, sexy little mini truck. Yeah, I'm stoked. All right. Hey, everybody. I'm back, and I'm here with my truck. So it's like 2 months later from the last clips you saw. As you can see, I've grown my beard back. I'm starting to grow my hair back. So that's sweet. And I just pretty much got the official clearing from my doctors to work on this thing. So this, because I don't think we ever said it, is a 1994 Mazda B2300. It's basically a Ford Ranger. It was when Mazda and Ford were like homies. I think they look super cool. I really like it. And they're really small, which is why I wanted it. So finally, we're gonna pull the trailer out. We're gonna back it off or push it off. And hopefully today, get to go in the first drive of this thing. I haven't been able to shift it. I haven't been able to drive it. I've been itching to work on this truck so bad, but I haven't been allowed to. They said I can't vacuum it because I can't be breathing in dust or kicking up dirt around me right now. So I will be wearing a mask, and you can see I have to wear gloves while I'm messing with this, but it doesn't matter. I don't care. I came over the other day and I opened it up and just Lysol bombed the truck. It was kind of the first time I've really been over to look at it. And I have to admit, when I was over here, I did pop the hood and take a look, because when we bought it, or when Chance bought it for me, thanks dog, it wasn't starting. The guy said he thought it was a fuel pump issue. He's replaced the fuel pump a couple times while he owned it. So I popped the hood, I hooked up some jumper cables, turned the key, and it started right up for me. So either it's magically fixed or it's an intermittent issue, but hopefully it starts for me right now, and I get to pull it off and drive it around and show you guys my new truck. Big rocks. Oh, there's a truck on here. Go back. Yeah! He got it! Gonna start. Grab a jump pad. Prepare yourselves. Fuel prop problem 1. It is so small. It drives, and look how small it is. It drives, it drives. Right off the bat, I have no tack. I don't know what RPMs I'm at, but sounds all right. It's really driving pretty good right now. It's shifting well. I'm not having any fuel issues, even though, again, the fuel pump supposedly wasn't working, and I'm on like past E on the tank, and I'm not sure yet if I should trust that. A little second gear pull here. like the look of the truck from the marketplace listing. I mean, it's a little beat up, it's a little stinky, but like, it's a $1,000 truck. And I didn't even buy it. It was a $1,000 gift. Just park her off road here. And talk a little bit about the truck. Ooh, should I shut it off? I might be stranded if I shut it off. I'm pretty close though. We can shut it off. Hope that's not a huge mistake. So yeah, this is the truck, and I love it. While I was in the hospital, I spent, if you can believe it, a lot of time on Facebook Marketplace. And I found this truck. But I've been wanting a truck, a little truck that I could lower, just make really cool. Like I said, this is a B2300. I tried to buy another B23 a few months ago. I didn't really know about them much, but I thought they looked really cool, and they're made by Mazda, and they're tiny. This truck definitely has its flaws. It's got dents all over the bed. The cab forward's pretty good. I'm really happy about that because I could always replace the bed. And the interior, the bench seat's kind of all ripped up. I'd love to replace that if I can find one. The dash is cracked. It doesn't have a tack, so if I can find a tack that's compatible with these, that'd be great. But I love the steering wheel. I think it's super cool. Crank windows. There's actually window tint on the windows, which is kind of funny. And then obviously inside there's the one glaring terrible thing, the headliner. No, I'm just kidding. It's the floor. The floor pan is rotted out completely. It doesn't seem like they sell floor pans online for these. I looked, but you know, maybe I'll weld in some sheet steel or something. But so yeah, that's kind of about the truck. Now I guess what I want to do with it. I got some new wheels for this thing already. I bought a lowering kit, so we're gonna drop it a good 4 or 5 inches. Really put it down there. I love the look of lowered tiny trucks. It just makes it look even smaller. And really, I would love to, and I've never actually done it, but I'd love to paint this truck. I want to pick an interesting color and try and do the cheapest paint job I can, while still making it look good and making it look unique, not just black. I want to pick a unique color and do that. I want it to be a fun truck, definitely. And I think it will be. And listen, I don't know if a 94 Ranger counts as a mini truck. If you're a mini truck guy, you can tell me. But it's tiny. I'm taller than it, like by a good amount, and it's not even lowered yet. So that's my truck. And I hope you guys are excited. Obviously, I'm gonna film the whole build. I'm just super stoked to be able to work on this thing right now. Even though I can't do the paint yet, I shouldn't sand because of the dust. I can't even vacuum it. I don't care. This truck is awesome. All right, I'll see you guys later. It's getting dark.